Hello YouTube, this is Big White. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to draw a seahorse. This is in a series that I've been working on, so this is the second video. Today I'm going to use Clip Studio just to show me drawing a little clearer. You do not have to use any programs. You can use straight paper and pen. I just want to show just a little clearer. That's all it is. So I'm going to open up a new file, and I'm going to use pencil, and I'm going to use the color red to start out. And all you're going to do is start in the beginning is to draw a circle, a little, almost like a triangle, almost off the back side. A square up front. Coffee beans shape underneath. And then a squiggly line. That is the beginning of our seahorse. This is just the shape, so we have a guideline where to go from. So I'm going to make a new layer. This time I'm going to use blue. You can use just regular colors. It's just I'm trying to show you the difference in what I'm trying to do. So here we'll just start with the ear part. Then we take this here and come up out of our shape a little, come back to our shape, go into our shape, come back to the normal, come out and then back in. Here we're going to take and go around the bottom of the head, the top of the head, and his little snout. And bring it down. Then the part here, we're just going to go around the bottom part. Come outside. Just a little bit. And right behind his upper fin, we bring that down. Connect to our jelly bean. And come out. Then we take this part here and we start going up. Then we come down. Draw this tail. Oops, went a little farther out, sorry. Stay on the red. Take this part here. We bring this down and connect, just like that. Then we take his tail. We kind of want to keep it thin at the bottom and make it a little thicker as we go around. And you're just going to connect these two together. Just like that. Then we take his back fin. Go in, out, in. So it's 3 humps. And like everything I draw, just make sure the eye is big. Kind of looks lumpy. And just put yourself a little eyebrow at the top. So to finish the seahorse off, we're going to draw in the rest of the details. What you're going to do is take from the top of his fin, go out, up down U, so upside down U, down, do another slight U to a point, to another slight U, to a point on his head. I'm going to move all this stuff up. Then we're going to make another U at the bottom, right here, just like this. Point, U, point, U. A longer one. To a longer one again. And at the bottom, we just connect that. Then here, we're going to take and make his belly. And all we're doing is just making small lines, kind of curved, into the other line. And this line here, and that line there. Let's speed this up a little. And now what you're gonna do is put some little scales on him or her. I don't know which one it is. Same thing with the inside of the body. Little O's and C's, that's all I'm drawing. Then we want to put a pupil in his eye. So that's what we got so far. Let's take his nose and curve it in. Same on both sides. Just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to take and make some lines from his fins. I don't know why when I record it lags a little bit. It's weird. But anyways. Just like that. Just two. You remember these points over here. The 3 lumps. Just in the middle of the lumps, just take some lines. And just curve them in. Just like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink the seahorse, but I'm going to speed the video up so that way it's not boring watching me do this. So alright, this is the part where we're done. So I want to show you that on the belly scales, I just made those rounder. So that could be something you want to try it with yours. Just make sure they're round. And then that's it. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please subscribe and like the video. And I will see you next time. Alright, bye.